Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name's Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to record data on a USB stick for further processing or analysis. First of all, you have to connect the USB stick to your MAGIO. Now let's have a look at the menu. Choose the submenu Record Data, where you can see if the external data storage is actually detected. Before you activate the recording, you have to set a sampling time and a file name. Back on the home screen, a red button circle appears to confirm the recording is active. To stop the recording, you choose Record Data and Deactivate. By the way, you can unplug the USB stick while the MAGIO is running. No problem. You can also read out the so-called black box of the unit, which stores all relevant data and logs alarm and warning messages. With your USB stick connected, scroll down to the black box and press Save. If necessary, you can also change the file name. In case of any problem, you simply send the black box data to our technical support. They will provide you with the fastest and most efficient solution. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.